everybody. It's April 28th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning T.A. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All a humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. FOMO index has climbed to 24 from yesterday's 21. Bitcoin dominance is 41.4%. 24-hour volume is 85 billion. The overall market cap is 1.82 trillion. Give or take 100 million. D minor, suspend the 4th and the 6th. You have a college grad wondering why they wasted 4 years of their life for a piece of paper that allows them to get into a line that lasts the rest of their life with no end and for most no beginning. A couple nuggets of knowledge they could have rubbed away from a week's worth of YouTube videos. And a realization that they just learned their first lesson in clown world. That is, if you don't know who the sucker is, my friend, well, then you're probably the sucker. Well, after a demoralizing sentiment-thrashing dump on Tuesday, seems we're doing our darndest to claw back ever so slowly. After bottoming at 37.6, we've been moving up ever since. Had a little snag at the 20 moving average, to be expected. Once we got over that, despite some nagging pressure from the bulls with these wicks here, seems and I don't want to count my bullish chickens till they hatch, but it seems he might try to regain the 50 moving average again at 40K. Now, based on said previous wicks and my kink for erring on the side of safety and caution, I wouldn't be surprised to see us retest the 20 back down at 39K before making our move up. With a 50 and the 20, putting in the Cincinnati squeeze. We'll most likely see a move either way, but this is a 4-hour chart, and she's a what? That's right. She's a noisy little so-and-so over on the daily. We are firmly planted on the sunless side of old Swissy, and I'm officially retiring her today, converting her to a descending channel. There. That was easier than I thought. It's like when they swapped out Aunt Viv on the 3rd season of Fresh Prince. For a brief, fleeting moment, you wondered, hey, is Aunt Viv different? Then you never thought about it again. Until today, I suppose. So what's our range within the Aunt Viv descending channel? Well, our resistance will be up at 40.4-ish, and our support will be down 36.9-ish. Shut your mouth. Key level I'm keeping my eye on is this 39.3. If we get underneath her, well, we'll probably head down and test support. Despite the techies and the fundies, we'll really just have to see what the legacy zombie markets do. Because here's the S&P overlay, which, as you can see, looks almost as similar as the two Aunt Vivs. Different, but essentially, they did the same thing. Quick look at the weekly. Sees our theory of a rounding bottom looks a little more solid, so we see the bulls and the bears hitting a certain market Xanadu, as they have their own Burning Man down here at Wick City. I'd like to see price action get above the 20 moving average this week at about 41.5, with the 20 careening down on the 100 exponential moving average. I don't want to let the Cincinnati squeeze decide where she goes. And if you dig it, then click it, the like and subscribe button, that is. That'd be real proper like of y'all. 'Cause underneath this yellow line is the family member no one talks about. It exists and is real, but we just don't want to go there, my friends. Cross those fingies in the comments section in hopes I don't have to start off next week's video with, well, we talked about this. And remember, we'll play the same game as a psychopathic elected elite. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom dash bang, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, chit chit chit. Make sure you like